This video is on exercises. Security incidents are usually after the fact that one has already occurred. This is why you should conduct exercises before incident occurs to better prepare your organization for security incidents. Exercises are usually scheduled once or twice a year to simulate and train everyone about what they will have to do during an incident. Organizations should use well-defined rules of engagement when performing these exercises and ensure nothing affects a live network. In rare cases, some security incidents take a week or even a month to resolve. However, to perform an exercise, you have limited time. Tabletop exercise is the most popular type of exercise since it's easy to conduct. Tabletop exercises are discussion-based sessions where team members meet in an informal classroom setting to discuss their roles during emergency and their responses to a particular emergency situation. A facilitator will guide participants through a discussion of one or more scenarios. This is where you get to define the process and procedures for problems before an actual incident occurs. Then we have walkthroughs. Walkthrough exercises are designed to familiarize team members with emergency response, patient care continuity, crisis communications plans, as well as their roles and responsibilities as defined in the plans. Walkthroughs allow you to test all types of processes and procedures, not only with the organization's management, but with an individual that will respond to their particular incident. This may include all different parts of the organizations, and this is where you get to also test available tools. This exercise process allows us to go through every process and procedures and identify the actual faults and missing steps by applying the concepts from the tabletop exercise. Then we have simulations. The purpose of simulation exercise is to actually validate and enhance procedures and systems for all hazards and capabilities. You can conduct in multiple ways where you don't let the team members know what the simulation will be, or just part of it and actually twist the simulation, or just give them the full details and see what they got prepared.